All right, guys, so today we are going to head back out to the barn and try to continue cleaning it up. As you can see, it's still really dirty from the last time we did it, which was a week ago. So if you didn't see that video, you can go back and watch it. But we were working on cleaning it out. So we're going to go out today, get to work on it again. One thing new is we got this put on our loader joystick here because it used to be just the old plastic thing, and it's not in here, but the knob fell off, so we rigged this up and that's gonna work a lot better. So let's, the radio's on. There we go. Back at it, doing it. Took a couple loads back to the house or the garden because we're kind of working in the garden already, and it's February. But anyway, we're cleaning out the next side of the barn here, and we're gonna, He's like standing on a big old hunk of manure that's like hard to get here. And then we'll use pitchforks and stuff and fork it out around the poles and stuff, and I'll clean that up a little bit. I mean, there's another 6 or 8 inches that I've packed up there since last week. So. If you're gonna break my heart, just break it. If you're gonna take your shot, then take it. If you ever operating a loader with one hand while steering with the other is getting a bit strenuous. If you're gonna break my heart, just break it. If you're gonna take your shot, take it. Take it. If you made up your mind, looking clean. Alrighty, so we got actually both of the bays pretty much cleaned out. Now we just got to get all the nook and crannies on the right side here by the cattle chute, in the middle right where one of the corralling gates is, and on the left side where the wall is next to the bale. So we're going to start on the right side by the cattle chute. It's easy to do that first because there's not as much packed under there. So we got to get all this over here, and that, and then over there.
Motivated individuals to join our real estate investing team. You'll be introduced to our 3-step system for flipping homes. Never more upfront. Pick up phone now. Call and flip this house. My team and I are looking for a handful of people in this area who really want to start making money flipping houses the same spare time using other workers' money. This area is a perfect answer to my system, and next week I'm holding a free 2-hour open houses on how to build long-term wealth with income properties. To get 2 free 5-digit zip codes at 42,000. Text in the next 10 minutes, and you'll also reserve a free copy of Brown's Men for Real guide. Just text your zip code to
Almost done. All right, we're getting ready to make our last scoop, I believe. A bunch of stuff that was packed under the edge over here, and brother's just kind of putting it out in the middle, and I'm just going to run the bucket right up through, and I'll collect that rest of that crap there, literally, and that'll be it. We will have it done, and I'll run through, give you a look at it quickly, and yeah, that's going to be it. So everything over here, it's done underneath the cattle chute, and there's about a foot of hard pack there. That was real easy to get. We got everything up under that gate, under this gate as well. We got under over here, and there was about a week's worth of stuff in the middle here because that's where they always eat. So we cleaned that up again, and it is all done, all clean. That took a while, but it was fun because I like driving trailers. Pick that bucket up a little bit, and we will go dump it up in our pile. We're in third. Start lifting the bucket up. Dump some more. We will dump it right here. That was pretty busy, but alright. That's it.
I'm gonna close the gate.
Okay. Pull back up, down. Put the loader down. Rev her up a little bit. And we'll stop here. That's it. And it's all cleaned up. Looks pretty nice. I can still clean that up a little bit, but it's super mucky, so it's just gonna it'll just get all smashed again because of the cows. It's rock and roll. You're gonna have to get out and open the gate, so.
Oh yeah, I should have just walked up there.
Yeah, you should have.
So go.